Hey everyone, it's Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable the UI clicks and the UI sound on your Steam Deck. So when you move around, you simply don't hear anything. So there's a couple ways that we could do this. We could simply just turn the volume down all the way, but there's an option in settings where you can completely disable this. So press Steam, open this up and scroll on down to settings. Let's go here and press A. Then let's go on down to where it says audio. Here, go to the right, and then we have output device, voice, and at the bottom under general, we have enable UI sounds. We can press A on here, and that will disable the clicks every time we go to a new icon here. So you don't hear anything except maybe crickets in your house or something like that. So if we turn up the volume now, this will just be for the game sound or anything else that we want to go ahead and play. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.